Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to some more cookie clickers. Oh, crap. Hold on a second. Alright, guys, we got my functioning auto clicker here. And now I just need to... Sorry, I sneezed. Oh, God. Anyway, we have 16 billion cookies. 145 more cookies to go. And as you can see, we have some stuff we need to spend off here in this episode. Save. Hello again. Just a reminder that you may want to update. You may want to back up your cookie clicker save every once in a while, just in case to do so. Go to options and hit export save or save file. Export save. Copy it and save it somewhere safe. Okay. Wait. So whenever I need to back up my cookie clicker, if it ever wipe saves, it'll do that? I don't know. Hold on a second. It'll do that? I'm confused. I don't know. I'll worry about it later. Anyway, we got quite the things to spend here. I'm glad it notified me. Thank you, Cookie. Thank you, Cookie Clicker creators, or whoever created this game. Ortle, I guess. Thank you, Ortle. But anyway, we got some stuff here to spend. We're gonna try to see if we can get something that's doing the best, okay? Something that's doing mighty well for itself. Oh, look, we haven't bought a shipment yet, so we'll go ahead and do that. Wow, that's a lot of cookies per second. 300,000. Wow, that's quite the stack. And also, I gotta sort out my stuff. Oh God! Hey, golden cookie, please. No, frenzy. Are you kidding me? Ah, well, there went all my money. Temples, they could really use it. Wait, each temple. Oh, I got it. Alright. Grandmas. Please let the grandmas do good. They did pretty good. And see what I have enough. And then for those grandmas, wait, is that one shift? Yeah, it is. Well, that's the one for 100. Oh God. No. Get out of here, sticky keys. Get out of here, sticky keys. Sorry, I accidentally pressed sticky keys because I press shift a lot. Let's see here. Okay, Wizard Tower. We really need these to be stacked up well. Okay, yeah, we now have 10 temples. Ooh, that's perfect. That's perfect. See, look, we got 5 Wizard Towers, which is still kind of a stacked amount. Temples, 10 temples. Okay, that's pretty good. 20, 50, 60, 70, 110, 140. You see, we're doing awesome. 2 million, 16 million per second. Wow. Oh, 1 million cookie clicks! I got that much while I was gone? Oh my God, 1 million cookie clicks. Hold on a second. Options, just for a second. Numbers that pop up while clicking the cookie. What? What does that mean? Short numbers. No, they're big numbers now. Oh, so it's more. Oh, okay. So it's more active. I don't know. How much stuff have I got? How much okay, so I got 45 total upgrades. Wow. Wizard Towers. Nah, I liked it when it was I don't know, should I keep it this way? Nah, I won't. Okay, we're just finding it. Let's go down here for a second. Let's check out how my shipments are doing. 51 billion. Wow, this is just wow. Okay, just wow. I'm gonna buy some farms. Okay, we're doing pretty good for ourselves. Alright, we're gonna go through like a little rerun just to get some more time out of it. Okay, so one shipment is producing 354,660 cookies per second. 17.5% of our total cookies per second. And 5 wizard towers are producing 397 cookies per second. But it's actually 6,919. I don't know why I said 900. This is doing 14.8% of our total cookies per second. 21% of total cookies per second for 10 temples producing 425. So yeah, I would say the one that's doing the least right now is farms. Okay, farms, you are terrible. Okay, you are terrible at this. Okay, farms, you are terrible at this. Okay, ooh, a gold cookie. I didn't notice that. Ooh, it's a frenzy. 1 minute? Okay, so this is going on for 1 minute. Okay. Wow. That's great. So I guess we just kind of sit here, let all the cookies run in. Yeah, we got another billion more cookies. That's great. That's great, mate. Alright, let's check out our general statistics. Alright, cookies in bank, 1,441 billion cookies in bank. Cookies baked this ascension, 56.711 billion. Wow. Cookies baked all time, 56.808 billion. Run started 6 days, 7 hours ago. Okay, that was pretty good. I mean, we got him. Okay. Buildings owned 476. You already know. By the way, guys, I'm buying some buildings, or whatever you want to call it. I'm buying some things from the little stack over there. Why it's not on videos. I do that sometimes. So if it seems like it's gone up a lot, then I've probably been doing it off video for some time. I'm sorry, I just don't do it on video sometimes. I just keep forgetting. And you might be thinking, oh, Pick Crafters, how do you keep forgetting? That's just like, wow, okay? I forget sometimes. Alright, anyway. Cookies per second, 2.03 million. Multiplier, 136%. Okay? Cookies per click, 62,791. It's not lying. Okay? Cookie clicks, 1.428 million. Mainly because of my auto clicker. I know, guys, that auto clickers could be cheating, but you really think that I should be doing this? I mean, I know auto clickers are kind of defeating the purpose, but it's just like, yo, come on, okay? You need an auto clicker, okay? You need something to click for you while you're not really doing the job, okay? I just like to do that. I don't know. I mean, you can't judge me because other people are doing it too, like Lazy Llama, but he's using a different type of auto clicker. By the way, Lazy Llama, if you're watching this, can you link your auto clicker to me? That'd be great. Anyway, handmade cookies to 26.926 billion. Okay. Alright, wait, that's something when you say you get burps. I don't know, this is weird. Golden cookie clicks. I've got 18 total golden cookies clicked. Yes, I know. And yeah, this is just how the game is. I mean, it's pretty fun. I recommend you guys would play it, which I'm sure most of you guys have played it before. Achievements. Meat Moop. Who names their grandma Meat Moop? That's like weird. I don't know. It's just weird. Okay. Mortal. Grandma. Grandma hashtag 42. They're running out of names. Let's check out some other grandma names. Tootsie. You're gonna name your grandma Tootsie. You're gonna name your grandma Tootsie. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just try to get some more stuff while I'm at it. You know, while I have my 2 good billion cookies. Gonna grab some more farms. Gonna grab some more banks. Because you need some banks in your life, you know. And I'm gonna check out a little bit of my achievements before we go. Okay, so achievements. We got achievements unlocked. 41 out of 415. 9%. Oh my god. Oh, golden cookie again. A lucky 990.94 million. Ooh. You already know how that goes. Also, I'm noticing I'm starting to get a lot of golden cookies. I think it's because something I bought in the store, I forgot what it was. I think it was something to do with more golden cookies popping up. I don't know. Anyway, the kitten multiplier, 116%. Milk rank 2, chocolate milk. Milk flavors. Chocolate milk, plain white milk. Starter milk for 25 achievements. Wait, so you gain more. Wait, so your milk turns differently depending on how much achievements you have? Cool, I didn't really know that. I mean, you may be calling me dumb for saying that. Bake 1 billion cookies in 1 ascension. Bake 1 million cookies. Wait, bake 1 million cookies per second. Yeah, I got that. I'm doing more than that, actually. I want to get some more achievements. We'll buy that for the bank. Now banks are doing 23.9%. You know, look at this. Look at these farms, okay? They're doing barely any work. Okay? Let's just take a round of applause. Yeah, you're doing great, farms. You're doing great. I'm being sarcastic. Yes, I am being sarcastic. Okay, you don't have to be like, oh, look at him. He's not. Did I just mess that up? Yeah, I just messed that up. Oh, come on, mate. Now I have to sell that, and it's just a complete mess. I'm a mess. I'm a loser. I don't know. Anyway, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, smash the like button, turn on notifications, and subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends or whatever. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.